Today on Alley Picked, I'm doing a giveaway and a review of this portable device charger by a company called Goodaaa. Or is it Good AAA? Or is it Goodaaa? Or Goodaaa? If you're Australian, it's Goodaaa, mate. This is the 36,000 milliamp hour device charger. The Goodaaa company asked if I could do a video review in exchange for this. I told them the only way I would do it is if you gave me two. One for me and one for you. So if you want to know how you can win this, keep watching for details. Mobile phones are amazing. They say that there's more computing power in one of these than NASA's Apollo mission to the moon. But the one negative about mobile phones, you have to charge them almost every day. The older they get, the more you have to charge them. But the one thing that attracted me most to this device charger were these built-in input and output cables. This one is a USB input. Here's a micro USB output, a USB-C output, and a lightning cable output for iPhones. There are additional input and output ports here on the end in case the cables ever break. You can also wirelessly charge your phone by laying it here on this circle. Besides plugging this into an outlet, you can also charge it by using the solar panel. Lastly, it has this built-in light. But how good do all of these features actually work? Let's get into my 2-minute review. Let's talk about this solar panel, which is supposed to charge the device. I don't like it. I left this in a window facing the sun in the morning, and I moved it around my house all day, and it barely charged this thing. The instructions say that you're not supposed to leave it on a flat surface because it can overheat. They do give you a hook so you can hang this up, but where am I going to hang it? It's just not practical, and it didn't work very well. Maybe on a hot summer day, the results would have been different. Maybe. Frankly, I don't care if you can charge this with a solar panel or not. It's not a showstopper for me. It's a feature I'm just not going to use. You can use this to charge up to 6 devices at the same time. Not that you're ever going to do that. It's not very practical, but you can if you wanted. And of course, it would deplete the battery much quicker. This wireless device charging, that's pretty cool. If your phone is capable of it, you simply lay it here and it charges your phone. Now, my phone has a thicker case on it, so I can't benefit from this feature. These LED lights here are fairly bright, and they say that this thing can run for over 100 hours on a full charge. But the really big question is, how many times is this going to be able to charge my phone? Well, I started using this on a Sunday, and it kept my phone charged until Thursday night. And I was often charging this thing twice a day. So this charger kept my phone going for 5 days before it died out. That's not bad. Now let's talk about the cost. You're probably saying to yourself, Tom, I love it, but what's a device like that going to set me back? Well, for this 36,000 milliamp hour device charger on Amazon, is about 36 bucks. That's only $1 for every 3,600 milliamp hours. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. Now, if you want to win this for yourself, let me know in the comments section on this video. Tell me your best sob story, why you just gotta have it. Milk. I don't care if it's true. I just like a good story. And if I like your story, I'm gonna read it in an upcoming video, and I'll send this to you for free, as long as you live in the United States. I'm Tom. This is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching.